Welcome back, everybody, to Wild Wisdom TV. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of orangutans, those majestic creatures that call the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia home. Get ready for a wild ride as we uncover fascinating facts about these red-haired apes. Orangutans are native to rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, where they thrive in lush tropical environments. These dense forests provide them with a perfect habitat for their lifestyle, with plenty of tall trees to swing from and abundant fruit to feast on. When it comes to food, orangutans have quite the palate. Their diet consists mainly of fruits, which they forage in the canopy of the rainforest. From juicy figs to sweet mangoes, orangutans enjoy a wide variety of fruits throughout the year. But fruits aren't the only thing on the menu. Orangutans also supplement their diet with leaves, flowers, bark, and even insects. This diverse diet ensures that they get all the nutrients they need to thrive in their forest home. With their vast diet, orangutans are among the largest primates in the world. Here are some facts about their size and weight. Adult male orangutans are typically larger than females. They can reach heights of up to 5 feet when standing upright. Their arm span, which they use from swinging through trees, can reach up to 7 feet or more. Adult male orangutans can weigh anywhere from 110 pounds to 200 pounds, with some exceptionally large males weighing even more. Female orangutans are smaller, typically weighing between 65 to 110 pounds. Now let's talk about the social life of orangutans, or should I say the lack thereof. Unlike the other great apes like chimpanzees and gorillas, orangutans are mostly solitary creatures. Adult males have large home ranges that overlap with those of several females, but they prefer to spend most of their time alone. This solitary lifestyle makes sense in the dense rainforest, where resources can be scarce and competition for food can be intense. By living alone, orangutans can avoid conflicts and maximize their chances of survival. But just because orangutans prefer to be alone doesn't mean they're antisocial. They still interact with other orangutans, especially during mating season, when males compete for the attention of females. And while they may not form large social groups like other primates, orangutans still engage in social behaviors like grooming, which helps strengthen social bonds and maintain relationships within their small social circles. Orangutans are incredibly intelligent. These remarkable primates are known for their problem-solving abilities and their use of tools in the wild. Orangutans have been observed using tools for a variety of tasks, from extracting insects from tree bark to constructing makeshift umbrellas out of leaves to shield themselves from the rain. Their ability to innovate and adapt in the environment is truly impressive. In captivity, orangutans have been known to solve complex puzzles and challenges, demonstrating their cognitive flexibility and problem-solving skills. Studies have also shown that orangutans exhibit cultural transmission, meaning that they pass on learned behaviors from one generation to the next. This suggests a level of cultural complexity and social learning among orangutans that is truly fascinating. Now let's address the harsh reality facing orangutans, the threats to their existence. Orangutans are facing a multitude of challenges that put their survival at risk. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats to orangutans. Deforestation driven by industries such as palm oil production and logging is rapidly destroying their rainforest homes. As the forests disappear, orangutans lose vital habitat and food sources, pushing them closer to extinction. But it's just not habitat loss that's endangering orangutans. Poaching and illegal pet trade also pose significant threats to their populations. Orangutans are often hunted for their meat or captured to be sold as pets, further decimating their numbers. Thankfully, there are dedicated individuals and organizations working tirelessly to protect orangutans and their habitats. Conservation efforts include establishing protected areas, rehabilitating injured or orphaned orangutans, and raising awareness about the importance of conservation. By supporting these conservation initiatives and making sustainable choices in our daily lives, we can all play a part in ensuring a brighter future for orangutans and the ecosystem they inhabit. Now let's look into the fascinating communication skills of the orangutans. While they may be solitary creatures, orangutans still have a complex way of interacting and expressing themselves. Orangutans communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, barks, and long calls. These vocalizations can convey different messages, such as warnings to others of danger or asserting dominance. In addition to vocalizations, orangutans also use gestures and body language to communicate. They may use these gestures to indicate their intentions, such as reaching out for food or grooming a companion. Grooming is another important form of communication among orangutans. It helps strengthen social bonds and maintain relationships within their small social circles. Through grooming, orangutans can express trust, affection, and cooperation. While orangutans may not use the same complex language as humans, their communication skills are nonetheless sophisticated and vital for their social interactions and survival in the wild. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of orangutans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife adventures. Together, let's be the voice for orangutans and all the other amazing creatures that we share this planet with. Until next time, stay wild.